Hey guys, welcome back with an outstanding video. Guys, in this video we will discuss when you try to use your iMessage, you may face a problem that can't send a message. iMessage needs to be enabled to send this message. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just check guys, I am sending message but this is not sending. So you may just go back and first of all guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad and guys, you may make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, here the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then guys, you may click here on general and you may click here on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 18 version. Then guys, you may go back again and you may scroll it down and here is the option of messages in apps. So click here apps and you may select messages from here. So let's check guys, click here on messages and guys, here is the option of sign in. So you may sign in with your Apple ID from here, but if sign in option is grayed out or not working, then guys, you may go back and you may just click here on your Apple account. So click here guys and here you may see that here is the option of contact key verification unavailable. So you may click here. So you may click here on turn off and you may turn off from here and you may turn this on again. So let's check guys, you may just wait. So now click here and you may click here again, click here. Now guys, you may just wait for some second. So guys, now you may check your iMessage icon will be shown. Now you may turn this on and you may click here on send and receive and you may select your Apple ID from here. Now guys, you may go back and you may just open messages and then guys, you may try to send your location or any other thing you want to send, and now you may check guys, that will be sent and your iMessage will be enabled. So by all these methods you can fix it very easy. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.